And in today's video, I will be reviewing the Pro Wax 100. Woo! So you guys, I ordered this from Amazon, and this is just how it looks in the box, and this is how it looks when you take it out of the box. The cord is fairly short on this, and you open it and the wax goes inside here. So when I ordered this off Amazon, it came with the wax warmer. It came with 4 bags of the hard wax beans. So I have a yellow one, the pink one, the green one, and the blue one. And it also came with these sticks. Now I'm not sure what the difference is between each of the hard wax beans, because they all say the same exact thing. Yeah, so I'm not seeing what the difference is. Maybe it's different scents, or I don't know, guys, but I got 4 of them. So today I'm going to be reviewing it to see how good it works, to see if it's really painless. But if you ask me, anytime you rip hair from your body, it's gonna be painful. I don't think there's no such thing of ouchless wax. So basically, to get started, I'm going to pick the yellow one, and the directions say, directions for use: place the block wax into the wax heater of your choice. Heat the wax to a working temperature and use a spatula. Spread a layer of film wax onto the area to be treated in the directions of the hair growth. Allow a short period to cool, then holding the skin taut, remove the wax with a firm action against the direction of the hair growth. So let's get started. Instructions to use the wax warmer. Let's see. Do not place or store the device where it can fall or be plugged into a tub or sink. Do not place the wax bar into water or any liquids. Keep surrounding areas dry. If the wax falls into water, unplug. If the wax bar falls into water, unplug it immediately. Do not reach into the water. As with all electrical devices, electrical parts are electrically live, even when the switch is off. Always use caution. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, guys, so before I actually get started, I just want to wipe out the inside of this pot. I see a little bit of dust, so I just want to make sure that is clean. And then secondly, I want to use the yellow wax beans, so I'm going to pour the yellow beans inside of the tin. Now it don't say how much to pour inside, so I'm just going to pour, I guess, half, just so I can test it. And it doesn't have like it doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like wax. Duh, that's what it is, right? So I'm going to take the beans and pour about half into the pan. That's about half. Then I'm going to take the thing and place it back inside the wax warmer. If I could get it back in. There we go. So now it's back in the wax warmer. I'm going to plug it in And then the instructions say to turn the dial up high. To turn the dial up high. And then the melting process takes about 15 minutes. So we are going to turn it up high. And then once it's done melting, it says to put it on medium. So let's wait and see. So this is the beginning stuff, the beginning process. And I'll be back with you in about 7 minutes to see how far it had melted down. I'm gonna place the lid on top and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, it hasn't quite been 7 minutes yet, but you can see that the wax beans are already starting to melt. So I'm gonna close the lid back on this and let it finish doing its thing. So far so good. Let's see how it turns out. Maybe I shouldn't hold like this. I might burn myself. But yeah, that's how it's looking so far. Okay, you guys, it's been about 15 minutes, and as you can see, the wax has fully melted. And yes, I have this on my floor so I don't make too much of a mess. I'm gonna let this, I guess, sit another 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna wax my arm. And if my husband is nice enough, he'll let me wax one of his arms as well. So I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to show you quickly again what the wax looks like when it's melted completely. Let's see if I can turn the camera on. It looks like that. So I am going to wax a little bit of my arm. Let me just show you guys. Wait, put it on medium first, like the instructions say. So now we're on medium. Let me show you guys my arm. I don't know if you can really see it, but I have like little fine hairs on my arm. Let's see if we could zoom in. No, it's not working. But I have fine hairs like on my arm. Maybe I can show you that way. So let's get started. Let me take off my watch and my, it's looking a little dark again. I'm gonna test it on the inside of my arm first, just to make sure it's not too hot. No, it's not too hot. So I'm going to wax my arm. Let's see if this is really like ouchless how they claim it to be. But we all know the real deal. So I'm just gonna take I guess a scoop like this. I don't know how much to really use. So I'm just going to take a scoop like this and smear it on my arm. You guys, they lied. This shit hurt already. Alright. See, now it's getting stuck on my skin. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. And we are gonna rip it off. It dries pretty fast, but I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. And that was just a little sample I did on my arm. Let's see. Oh no. That's fine. That one didn't hurt too bad. So. Ooh. So it's on there pretty good. Let's wait a few minutes and then we're gonna take it off. Okay, you guys, it's been a few minutes now, and I doubt this is not gonna hurt because right now oh my god, it hurts just to even lift the corner up. Ooh, I'm scared to take it off. One, two. I can't do it myself. I can't do it myself. Let me call my husband. Babe, can you come rip this off for me, please? I am too scared to do it myself, so let's wait for the hubby to come. I need you to take this off of me, just by the corner right here. And don't pull it too hard. Ah, wait. I said that too hard. No. Stuff them right here and just. What the? Ah, no. Ow, they lied. This hurts. All right. Just, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. Just gonna go real fast, okay? 1. No, just take it off real fast. Don't.
Okay.
Let me see. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys. So it really works. You can see the little hairs inside of it. I don't know if you can see it from here, but I definitely can see it from here. And you can see I got a little bald patch right in the middle of my tattoo. So I'm gonna try it again. Oh my goodness. It really worked. And it wasn't really that bad, just the anticipation of it being ripped off, I guess. So I'm gonna try it again. Okay, you guys, so I'm trying to get a nice scoop. And let's do it again. The thing is, this wax dries really fast as soon as you take it out of the pot. So I'm trying to get it before it dries. So I'm gonna place it right here. I'm sorry if that wasn't in frame, but I'm gonna try it again. This is how it looks on my arm. Let me see if I can. Yeah, there we go. Now let's wait till it dry, and then I'll be back. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna stay right here so you guys can see it with me. And this is the wax that I'm trying to get together so it don't be flying all over my living room. Almost. So yeah, so far on a 1 to 10, I would rate this a 8. It really works. You can see the hairs inside of there. I wish I could, let me scoot up. I wish I could show you guys if you see the little hairs inside. But yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna get ready to pull the next piece of wax off my arm. This time I'm doing it myself. Let's see. Okay guys, so it's ready to be lifted. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rip it off myself this time. I'm so nervous. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you guys can see the little hairs. Alright, I still got a little piece on there. So let's... Ooh. Ooh. This one hurt. Oh. Oh my god, you guys, it worked. You can see a little patch is missing. That is so cool, you guys. So, rating the product 1 through 10. 10 being thebomb.com. 1 being I'll play it myself and waste my money. I'm gonna rate this a 8 because it really works. And the paint isn't that bad. I think I just like overreacted. You can see, I wish you guys could see it, but it's not picking up because it's so transparent. You can see the little hairs on here. If I show it the other way, maybe you can see it better. You can see the little hairs in there. This is so cool, you guys. I can see myself doing this all the time. Yeah, I like this a lot, you guys. So if you were wondering if it really works, it really works. If you want to go and purchase it, oops, you should go purchase it. This was definitely cool and I would do it again. So yeah, that's the end of my video. If you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe on your way out. Until my next video, peace. Wait, peace. Bye guys.
Big bougie, big bougie, big bougie.